If you're looking for a way to automate contact follow-ups in Salesflare and streamline your sales process, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up automatic follow-ups in Salesflare so you never miss an opportunity again. Before we dive in, if you're new to Salesflare, let me quickly introduce you to the platform. Salesflare is a CRM designed for small businesses, sales teams, and entrepreneurs. It focuses on automating the routine tasks that take up a lot of your time, like keeping track of emails, meetings, and follow-ups. So, if you're someone who's tired of manually chasing contacts, you're going to love this feature. Now, let's talk about automating your contact follow-ups in Salesflare. One of the coolest features of Salesflare is its ability to automatically track interactions with your contacts, making follow-ups easier and faster. Here's how you can set it up. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the Settings section of Salesflare. From there, head over to the Automation tab. This is where you can create automated workflows for your contacts. Salesflare allows you to customize follow-up sequences, which means you can schedule follow-ups based on specific triggers, like when a contact hasn't responded to your last email, or when they've interacted with one of your previous communications. Next, you can set up a series of reminder tasks. If you want Salesflare to automatically remind you to follow up with a contact after a certain amount of time, it's easy to set. For example, you can set a task to remind you after 3 days if the contact hasn't responded yet. This makes it super simple to stay on top of your leads and ensure you're consistently following up without forgetting. But here's where the magic happens. Salesflare integrates directly with your email and calendar. This means it can send follow-up emails automatically when certain conditions are met. Let's say someone clicked on a link in your email but didn't respond. You can set up a follow-up email that will go out automatically a day or two after their interaction without you needing to manually write it out. For even more precision, you can create customized follow-up messages for different types of leads. So if you know a certain group of contacts needs a different approach than others, you can personalize the follow-up emails based on that. It's all about making your sales process smarter and more efficient. Now, if you're wondering how you can get started with all of this, I've got a great deal for you. You can actually try Salesflare for free by using the link below. And when you sign up through this exclusive offer, you'll also unlock some special bonuses to get even more value out of the platform. This way, you can start automating your follow-ups right away and experience how much time it saves you. As you continue using Salesflare, you'll find that it does much more than automate follow-ups. The software's Smart CRM also provides deep insights into your sales pipeline, tracks emails, and helps you build stronger relationships with your contacts. In conclusion, automating contact follow-ups in Salesflare is incredibly simple and can save you hours of manual work. By using workflows, reminders, and automated email sequences, you can keep your leads engaged and increase your chances of closing sales. And remember, you can start using this amazing tool for free with our exclusive offer linked below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to automate your sales process and supercharge your productivity. So check out the first link in the description to get started with Salesflare and claim your free trial now. Thanks for watching and happy selling.